Welcome to Autovelocity, where we bring you the history and technology of some of the most iconic military systems ever built, and today we take a closer look at the AIM-9 Sidewinder, which entered service in 1956 and went on to become one of the most famous air-to-air missiles in the world. The AIM-9 Sidewinder is a short-range air-to-air missile designed to give fighter aircraft the ability to engage enemy targets with accuracy, speed and effectiveness. It was the first truly successful guided missile of its kind, and its impact on aerial combat changed the nature of modern warfare. The AIM-9 Sidewinder was first introduced in 1956, and its design centered around infrared homing guidance, making it one of the earliest missiles to use heat-seeking technology. This system allowed the missile to lock on to the heat signature of enemy aircraft engines and guide itself toward the target without continuous input from the launching pilot. This simple yet revolutionary system made the Sidewinder highly effective in dogfights and set the standard for future air-to-air missile development. The missile itself is relatively small and lightweight compared to other systems, measuring about 9 feet in length and weighing approximately 190 pounds. This compact design made it easy to mount on a wide variety of aircraft, including fighters like the F-4 Phantom, F-16 Fighting Falcon, F-18 Hornet and many others. The missile is propelled by a solid fuel rocket motor, giving it speeds of up to Mach 2.5, which is more than twice the speed of sound. This high speed, combined with its small size, made it extremely difficult for enemy aircraft to evade once it was launched. The AIM-9 Sidewinder carries a warhead of around 20 pounds of high explosive that is triggered by a proximity fuse or direct impact. This ensures that even if the missile does not strike the target directly, the explosive force can still damage or destroy the enemy aircraft. The missile's range has varied over different versions, but the early AIM-9 models introduced in 1956 could typically engage targets within a range of 2 to 3 miles. Later variants extended the range and improved accuracy, but the original Sidewinder already offered a major leap forward compared to guns or unguided rockets used in aerial combat previously. One of the most impressive aspects of the Sidewinder is its adaptability. Since 1956 it has been upgraded and refined through multiple generations, including the AIM-9B, AIM-9L, AIM-9M and AIM-9X. Each version has brought improvements in guidance systems, warhead design, countermeasure resistance and maneuverability. The AIM-9X, the latest generation, features high off-bore sight targeting and thrust vectoring, which allows it to hit targets even outside the direct line of sight and chase highly maneuverable enemy aircraft. Yet despite all of these modernizations, the missile still retains the same basic design principles introduced with the first version in 1956, proving just how advanced the original concept really was. The Sidewinder's service history is extensive. It has been used by the United States and allied nations across the globe and has seen action in conflicts such as the Vietnam War, the Gulf War and various other air campaigns. It has been credited with thousands of kills and remains one of the most combat-proven air-to-air missiles ever built. More than 200,000 Sidewinders have been produced, making it not just effective but also one of the most widely used missiles in history. From a technological perspective, the AIM-9 Sidewinder of 1956 was groundbreaking. Its infrared guidance allowed pilots to fire and then maneuver away instead of needing to stay locked onto their targets. This fire and forget capability gave pilots a huge tactical advantage in the skies. It was also relatively low cost and simple compared to other guided weapons of the time, which made it accessible for widespread use across NATO and allied air forces. The AIM-9 Sidewinder remains a testament to American innovation in missile technology. Its continued use for nearly 7 decades highlights its effectiveness, reliability and adaptability in modern air combat. Even today, the missile continues to evolve with upgraded systems, ensuring it remains relevant in an era of advanced stealth aircraft and electronic warfare. This was a deep dive into the AIM-9 Sidewinder, first introduced in 1956, and its specs and features that changed aerial warfare forever. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about legendary military systems and vehicles, make sure you subscribe and join us on Autovelocity. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again with more exciting content only on Autovelocity.